Tired of staring blankly at your screen, feeling like your to-do list is mocking you? Let's transform that chaos into focused productivity using the power of Clockify and the Pomodoro Technique. First, head over to Clockify, either on your web browser or through the desktop app, and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Timer tab. This is where the magic happens. Before you hit start, select the project or task you'll be working on from the drop-down menu. If it's a new project, just created on the spot. This will help you track exactly where your time is going. Now, enter 25 minutes into the timer field to set your Pomodoro. Click start and dive into your task, distraction-free. This is crucial. No emails, no social media, just pure, focused work for 25 minutes. Embrace the deep work. When the timer rings, it's break time. Click stop to record your Pomodoro. Set another timer for a 5-minute break. Step away from your screen, stretch, grab a drink, or do something completely unrelated to work. This is your mental reset. After your 5-minute break, repeat the 5-minute work and 5-minute break cycles for times. After 4 Pomodoros, reward yourself with a longer break, typically 20 to 30 minutes. Clockify lets you customize these break lengths to fit your needs. Finally, use Clockify's Reports tab to analyze how you're spending your time. See which projects are taking up the most time, identify productivity patterns, and fine-tune your Pomodoro technique for maximum efficiency. So, ditch the distractions, embrace the Pomodoro technique with Clockify, and watch your productivity soar.